Hey there everyone, it's Vito from the Vitoverse, and today I'm back at LEGOLAND Hotel Dubai to check out some all-new activities including their new mini golf. My mom is checking us in and getting our rooms. It's been a while since I've posted a video, life has been busy, right? And I've missed making videos, so it's nice to do this again. Anyways, come on. It's been a long time since we've been here. It feels so nostalgic. This is where we took our thumbnail picture for the last video. There's a pile of Legos for kids to play with, and a playground designed like a castle too. Let's follow Santino inside. Yeah.
Oh wow, that's
There's also larger rubber bricks here so that little kids can play without any hazards. Of course, no one can forget the elevator with the disco ball. Now let's go see our rooms. This floor's theme is shared with LEGO Ninjago and LEGO Friends. We got the LEGO Ninjago room. Here's today's itinerary and the floor plan. So we've got our rooms already, and now we're going to the snack bar here at Bricks Family Restaurant. Today's lunch buffet had really tasty desserts and salads.
Chicken popcorn, there's burgers, there's roasted potatoes, mashed potatoes.
Alright, let's get to the next spot, the Playhouse. It has arcade games with really good prizes. I see why. You can even win a PlayStation 5 here. So much stuff here. Wow, this area is filled with activities. There's a racing ramp and an earthquake simulator for your Lego builds. You can also play sack toss or try your luck for some Pokemon cards too.
Oh my god, Pokemon cards. How much is it?
Looks like I missed my shot. Let's hope Dad has a better chance. Oh well, better luck next time. Here's a life-size Lego Stormtrooper. Now we can see the mini golf course here, where we all had a great time. Now we're on our way to Miniland inside the Legoland theme park. We have to look around and answer some given questions for a prize. Here's a mini version of the theme park. There's also a mini Legoland hotel here. They made scaled down versions of Dubai's major skyscrapers with a working model of the metro. A mini Burj Khalifa was made here with 439,000 Lego bricks. There's also a Lego Blue Water here too. Now it's time for the indoor light show. There's also a Lego built Dubai Creek. Looks like I got swallowed by a lion. Here we are at the big shop. This is where we can collect our prizes. This Lego Pikachu and Eevee is really cute. Score! We got Lego bricks with our names engraved on it. It's getting dark and I'm feeling a bit tired, so I'm going back to my room. See you tomorrow! Good morning guys. It's pretty early with a cool breeze over us, so let's check out the pool before we get our breakfast buffet. There's life vests for the kids, a large shallow pool, lots of resting space to suntan, and a splash zone too. You can also build a boat and race it against others. I'm getting a bit hungry, so let's go back inside for our breakfast buffet. For breakfast, they serve different eggs, cereals, cold cuts, and mini pancakes. They also have multiple different pastries and a variety of drinks to choose from. After that, Santino got a cookie where you can design your own Lego face. Later on, we had some great lunch with food like chicken biryani, steak, and mozzarella sticks. Thanks for watching guys! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now this is Vito from the Vitoverse, signing off.